Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am making a refreshing and healthy Aloe Green Mocktail for you. If you like this recipe, please share it with your family and friends. I will start by filling up the glass with ice. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. You are watching Spice Trail. I will pour 30 milliliters of lime mix. (30 milliliters of sugar syrup). You can prepare sugar syrup at home by combining equal parts of water and sugar. 15 milliliters of blue curacao syrup. 60 milliliters of orange juice. Aloe vera juice is good for healthy skin and it also reduces heart attack risks. Now I will pour 60 milliliters of aloe vera juice. So don't forget to share this healthy and refreshing mocktail recipe. Now I will shake all the ingredients without ice. And slowly pour over the ice. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. I will garnish this mocktail with a fresh orange slice. Healthy and tasty Aloe Green Mocktail is ready. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Enjoy this healthy drink with family and friends. Please don't forget to subscribe for exciting recipes like this. Till then, be happy and healthy.